In this video, I'm going to show you how to access contacts inside Google Calendar in just a few seconds. This is a super simple tip, but it can be really helpful if you want to quickly pull up your contacts without leaving the calendar view. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Workspace tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once Google Calendar loads, look over to the right side panel of the screen. You should see a row of app icons there, and one of them is the contacts icon. Go ahead and click that contacts icon. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar will begin loading your contacts in the side panel. Depending on your connection and how many contacts you have, it may take a moment to fully appear. Once the contacts panel is loaded, you're all set. You can now view and access your contacts right inside Google Calendar without switching tabs or opening a separate app. This is a quick and easy way to stay organized and save time while working in Google Workspace. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.